Ladies and gentlemen, this is Gabriel, aka the Renaissance Man. You are now looking at the latest project that I have done. And this is different from all the others that I have done. This one is equipped with a mood changing light. And I'm going to turn it on and let you see what I mean. Right now, the light is white. Alright, here we go. The mood changing light. It has multiple settings for different colors. Isn't that nice? That is absolutely fascinating. I just changed it again. Isn't that cool? It can go from changing to solid colors. A solid color there. There are multiple settings for this lamp. Alright, there you have it, folks. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you have a question, I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Alright, enjoy the video.